UK is bracing for life-threatening winds as the Met Office has in the last half hour or so issued a rare red weather alert for Storm Darragh. Gusts of over 90 miles an hour are set to batter Wales and southern England from 3 o'clock on Saturday morning.
So good evening and welcome back to another video. I bet a lot of you thought this was going to be an ASMR video. Well, you're totally wrong there. There will be some speaking, although not as much as there usually is. As you can probably tell, I'm quite under the weather. Flu season, innit? So everyone who I work with, they've started getting ill. Parents have got ill. I've now got it as well. So I've come out to the local woodlands just to get a camp done, and it's going to be pretty much a basic camp. I want it to be Christmas themed, however, because I'm so under the weather, I've just sacked that off, but I have got some Christmassy food, shall we say. So I've skipped through everything. I've got the one Tigris hot tent set up just behind me, as you can probably see. Pretty basic inside layout. I've got the Modern Warfare base layer that I use. It's got a wool lining on as well, so it just keeps you off the ground. A brilliant bit of kit. It's quite recent as well that I brought that. But yes, I've got that. I've got the blow up mattress as well, along with a DOS bag, military issued all season DOS bag. So yeah, so that's basically everything inside there. I've got some sheep pelt as well that I'll be laying on, you'll see that shortly. So that's like in relation to dinner tonight, but like I said, trying to be a bit more Christmassy themed. However, because I've been so under the weather, I've not bothered too much going all out. But we have got some Yorkshire puddings, we've got some turkey breast type already pre-cooked chicken. I'm just having a look what we've actually got. We've got some stuffing, some mint sauce, some cranberry sauce, all that kind of stuff. So we'll be cooking that shortly. I've got the fire going, as you've probably seen, and yeah, so that's gonna be everything for this evening. We are in the middle of Storm Darragh, or whatever it's called, so we're expecting pretty much the backlash of that as well. It was really bad last night in relation to the wind, and we're starting to see some of that wind pick up again. So I've situated myself in a bit of a dip. However, it is also on the side of this woodland, so it's on the edge of the wood block itself, purely for the fact that I still need to keep a bit of light because I'm so far behind today. It's already starting to rain a little now. So yeah, so I'll show you around where I am, but I've tried to keep to the edge of the wood block so I've got enough light to keep me going until the evening. But yeah, it's going to be a nice one, to be fair. I weren't really going to go out, to be honest, because I've been, like I said, I've been under the weather, so I weren't going to bother going out. However, I've decided to just go for it, and it is what it is. I can't get any worse. So yeah, I'm going to tend to the fire now because it's starting to die. We are limited in regards to resources around because I've situated myself at the back end of the woods. I've got to keep going further in to get some wood. So I'm going to grab a load more of that. We don't really need much, to be fair, because like I said, the chicken's pre-cooked. It just needs warming up. And I've also got my jet boil that I need to try out, so it's an OEX jet boil kind of style. Yeah, so we've got that as well to boil up water if needed. So I'll probably cook my veggies in that, to be fair, just to speed that along. But other than that, yeah, we're just going to have a decent night. It's going to be a solo. It's nice to get out on these solos, but I do miss going out with Dean. We was originally planning to go out for the weekend, however Dean's had some issues in regards to his car and stuff. So right, so I've been talking for a little bit too long, so I'm going to tend to the fire, get things sorted, get the meal ready, and I'm looking forward to eating, to be fair. I've not ate all day today, so I'm absolutely starving. But yeah, I'm waffling on now, so let's get the fire going, and I'll bring you all back shortly. Right, so I'm going to just quickly talk about the scran that I've got. Literally, just some veg in a bag. Oh, they're not turkey, these are chicken slices. So garlic and herb, chicken slices, pre-cooked, so they're all done. Just need warming up really. Bit of sage and onion. You can already hear the Storm Darragh or whatever kicking in. So I've got to be quite quick if I am wanting to eat. I'm quite lucky because I've got the jet boil, so worst case scenario, I'll just have to use it all in my tent. That's why I've used the one Tigris hot tent, because there's quite a lot of room inside, but as you can probably hear now, it's starting to come down a little bit, so I'm going to put the waterproof jacket on. But then we've got some class little bits of Yorkshire puddings as well. I think there's 4 large ones. I couldn't find the big ones because the plan was, just love the rain, because the plan was to get 2 big large ones, chuck it all in, wrap it up, because I've been watching some TikTok videos recently and man, honestly they look banging. But yeah, I couldn't find any big ones, so went with these Aunt Bessie's large ones. But I'm going to just start getting things prepped now, so no more talking for the minute while this weather potentially blows over. I'm not sure. Looks like it's staying for the next few hours, so we shall see. But I've got a fire going at the minute. We'll try and keep that going while we warm everything up, basically. But yeah, bring you back shortly, and hopefully I'm not crawled into my pit already nice and early. So yeah, we'll see. But this is what happens when you choose to camp on a stormy weekend. But it is what it is. Put the Yorkshire puddings on it and then we're good to go. I'm hoping you'll be able to see it. I'll bring it up close to the camera shortly. Just going to load the Yorkshire puddings up. That is looking banging. I've got jam all over. But yeah, I'll bring that closer to the camera now. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's looking absolute pucker. Just want to try and... But yeah, I'm about to scran this now and enjoy it next to the rest of what is the fire. But what a little feast in the woods. Right, well, it's time to tuck in. I'll tell you what, it's a massive game changer when you put mint sauce in with the actual gravy. It's beautiful, but just shows how cold it is out here. I've literally made this maybe a minute or two ago and it's already starting to get pretty cold, so I best eat up pretty quick. But what proper comfort food, especially in the storm as well. A lot of it is starting to blow over, which is pretty decent for me, but I think the plan is, once I've ate this, I'm just going to go into my pit, get my nut down. It's been a hell of a week anyways, so that'll be the plan. But yeah, it's been good to get out, and it's always good to scran some absolute mega food as well. So I'm going to keep eating and I'll catch you all very soon. Right, so food was a huge success. It's absolutely freezing, I'm not going to lie, so I'm looking forward to just getting into my bed and chilling out for the night. It's good to have got out. I'm quite lucky that I did get out, to be honest. The weather itself's holding off so far. I've checked the forecast, it is going to be pretty choppy later on tonight, but other than that, we have survived Storm Darragh, or whatever it's pronounced. But yeah, all in all, a very successful night. Food really nice, really enjoyed that, needed it as well because I've been starving, literally not ate. I were at work, rushed to get packed, come out. So yeah, it was good to actually get some nice food down me and some proper winter grub as well. So even though the chicken was pre-cooked chicken, it was banging, to be honest. It was pretty decent, well easy to make. Well, you know, I mean, it's all made anyways, but just chuck it on the grill, warm it up, job's a good one. But yeah, so we're getting to bed. I'm going to chill out for the rest of the night now and watch a couple of films. So we'll catch you all very soon in the morning. Take care and good night. What a view to wake up to. Right, so that's another one smashed in the bag and it's absolutely freezing as well. So it's time to put the heated seats on, head back home, and yeah, it's been brilliant. It didn't help though on the way back that my torch did die, so I'm absolutely boggy as alt now because I've hit every single puddle coming up. But yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed that video. It was very brief, but it was good to get out as well. So we'll catch you all in the next video, but for now, take care, see you all soon.